I'm getting really sick and tired of walking into the living room. Sweeping up little crumbs. When it's time to pick it up, don't pick it up with the broom. Just wet a paper towel, it'll pick up all the particles. The tiny little specks of dust that you can swipe away when you're using the brush. You ever feel like you're living out a loop in the kitchen, thinking, why am I the only one doing the dishes? I know you guys heard the machine is done with the rinse. Speaking of it, did you know you can fit bigger things inside of your machine by lifting this thing on the side of the machine? And I can't believe that. Learned about it this weekend. Are you the one in the family to come to when they need a hand with a really tightly sealed jar? Say something like,
Hey, arm, that's strong, please open it up. The rest of us tried, but it's stuck, like what the fuck?
that's because I haven't told you about crossing your hands like this on the jar. Then just give it a quick squeeze till you hear it pop. Boom, it's really that simple. When you get a pimple, stop giving your money and making other companies millions. Cause all you need is a couple of ingredients to fight that pimple with the homemade treatment. In a bowl, make a paste with these 3 things: apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and honey. Apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and honey. Apply a bit of that onto your little buddy. Leave it overnight, it'll help a lot, trust me. Plus it gets expensive, might as well save a couple bucks. Grab a garlic bulb, but then put it in a cup with some water. Cover with a bag with a Ziploc. Few days pass, roots in the bottom. When the top sprout, bring it to the garden. See, cause every single one of these cloves will grow a whole new bulb. No joke, all you gotta do is separate and sow. Each clove is a 2-inch hose, and the best time to do it is when the outside temperature's cold. So, might as well go outside, do it right now. Summertime will come around, you're gonna be proud. You're gonna be wondering why it took you so long to get this going. All those trips to the store, you could've just grown your own stuff in the backyard. You should never throw out avocado. You can better your health with the benefits. A bit is better with 70% of all antibacterial matter. Does that make any sense?
You can drink it as a tea or even get your skin cleansed.